ain't that nigga cause I got it out the mud. Hanging in the family, nigga, be on blood. Screaming for 12 to the DA and the judge. Never been a dog, never been a scrub. Home by a Glock now, all you want the judge. Better than who must be high on them drugs. Rolling in the mansion with the bubbles in the tub. Heard you wanna couple, you a bitch, you with the stud. Say, yes, nigga, don't try me. And a lamb, I be damn if a nigga try me. Get in hand with the fam and a nigga gotta eat. Shot a nine, I'm a bust, I'm a trick for a treat. Boy, I bought the lamb, I was riding in the Jeep. 500 horses with a stick on the seat. Fuck that nigga, he'll fold when it's heat. Go get the code for the dough, boy, you weak.
We are on the road to Cody's house. Maybe Desmond is gonna come out. Oh, that'd be sweet. And my truck is actually has a big ass leak in it, so it's been overheating a lot for a while. So I have to get towed or my truck blows up midway. I'll let you guys know. Bike is wet. Okay, here.
Yeah, you girls saw me.
Oh.
I don't got no girls. You right?
Just had a beautiful rain. Then we're gonna go rip.
Bike looks good.
Yeah, looks pretty clean. Liam got the new graphics.
Like fourth ride.
Oh, new bike too, yeah. Wait, dude. I remember I have to get clips of you?
You do?
Yeah, remember?
When? Look, dude. Oh, this whole frame fell off. Oops.
This guy's factory SLR over here.
Since Nam.
Since now. Since the 90s.
Come on, dude. They can hook you up with bikes but not goggles.
You know what we're gonna do here?
You have well, I've never actually like seen
Ooh. Oh, look inside there.
Oh, yo, let me start it. No. Oh man, these things are loose. Yeah, we're fired up, Paul. Carry this guy.
Alright. Where are we going?
I don't know.
You gonna try to make a track?
No, I think we're gonna ride one that's already made.
Alright.
Hey, it's more of a technical track. It'll get your ruts good.
My suspension is so stiff. Really?
Yeah, that's right off the
Maybe. I gotta go check on them now. What the f...
Can you take my helmet off?
You good?
His is at like 10 seconds loose.
Damn. We just got here, bro.
That's what I said.
What happened here, dude?
It's this bike, I swear. Gotta get you back on track.
Did you fly through this bush?
They swapped right here. Nah, it's all crazy.
Ooh.
Down hard.
Did you break a rib?
I don't know. Look at his stomach, dude. Oh my god, yo, come
What? Had to run back and get this full some water. Luckily I got this thing. There's the odds right there. Let me fill my bag up real quick.
I'm gonna go viral. You out of the track?
Riding Hurricane Hillary is probably not the greatest thing because I'm soaked now, but better go unload. We're good. I'm park pony and jacking off around here for the past 30 minutes trying to get these bikes loaded. Not looking too good. My bike's about to fall off the back because it's got about an inch left. Where we going? Jelly donut?
Yeah, you're a donut. Donut.
Cody's gonna get a chocolate bar.
Fuck yeah, I am. Oh shit!
There
goes Ethan's bike.
Oh! Yeah, we got the bikes rolling up 3 deep. Got straps in the wheel behind it so it doesn't roll out. But my bike is gonna look pretty sketchy here.
Go ahead, mama.
Yeah.
Hey, big baby.
Go ahead. And my bike ain't looking too good, bro. It's already rolling off. So,
Sorry, I'm gonna get some donuts too.
come inspired,
You're already in the racing line. No, I'm not. Oh yeah. This shit's the fucking race line. That's what I hit in the van. On the race line, like everything. Bouncing around people, fucking. I threw one guy off the side one time. Imagine. He's freaking ran, bro. Driving ran. Grow up. Let your balls drop. Get a forward van. Who trespassed?
Arrived at Pico
Right.
Arrived.
I mean, on the video, or on the. It looks like there's a shit on the train. Yeah.
See how hot it is. Oh yeah, dude. I'm gonna get a sunburn here. Yeah, we got this going up on here, so it's not on his truck. I don't have a stand, so yeah.
Too cheap.
Cheap.
Unload my shit.
What?
Fuck!
This shit just broke. Hey, bro. Homeboy took the easy up without the top, bro. Here, let's pull this hoe out. That's gonna give us a lot of shade right there, dude. That looks good.
Gosh, dude.
I'll also go walk around and look for something.
The shade out. I'm actually so bummed there's no shade. That sucks, bro. Should I ride it out?
Nah.
Why not?
You could hop down there. Oh my god, bro. Go ahead. You got it. Oh shit. Go ahead. You're almost there. Do a buttery, bro. Wow.
Yeah, it's actually so sketchy.
Anyways, I'm pulling my camera out next moto, so it's actually pretty warm outside and checked pretty rough, but I think these guys are pros, so they got it.
Pretty rough.
Almost mashed on the track. Oh, you got your nose in the way. This guy trying to rip the track.
Knows about his-
You're going, bro.
On the day I was born, the nurses all gathered round, and they gazed in wide wonder
Bro, that
at the joy they
is no
found.
shirt. And you
Just got done smashing a whole thing of Happy Dads.
Leave this one alone.
I wish I was yours.
yeah, they're all drunk right now, bro. No, literally, they were.
Can you rewatch that clip?
Bad to the bone.
And then I'm gonna strap the GoPro on. Hopefully I don't shit myself again while I'm riding.
Maybe give it to Cody.
Like a
I
horrid.
think it's a little bit smoother over the track.
Not wrong.
I'm just kidding.
I'm honestly so tired. I'm just ready to go. Locked in already. Bye.
It's your boy Kanye Chitter. Shot-town, what's going on?
Trying.
Yeah. I drink a boost for breakfast and insure for dessert. Somebody order pancakes, I just sip the scissor. That right there could drive a sane man.
Like that triple?
Triple?
But give a light support, telling her son's on life support. And just imagine how my girl feel on the planes, get it.
That's the one I tripled out talking about.
Wow, bro. Snake right up in that bush. I got boots on. I think I'll be fine.
Young girl don't want that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Bentley spray fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young girl don't want that, they working my nerves. I'm about to pull some serve. Fucking the bitch like a perm. Smack on the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds.
Yeah! No way, bro. This guy. Yeah. Oh man. I got my handlebars back the other way though.
If we locked in, ain't no switching up. Brody came home.
Alright, we're actually loading back up to go to a different place and in and out, so he's loading up. Oh yeah. Here you go. Alright, so these fools want to go to fucking Chick's house, but I just want some in and out, so. Oh. Hey, dude, that's our homie. That's my homie from In and Out. Hey.
Hey, you wanna ride?
He's thugging.
Hey, watch this, watch this, watch
Let's go! So we're trying to get on this entrance, but it's looking a little big to get over, so.
Screw it, we'll do it. We'll figure it out.
We'll see what happens, you know what I mean?
Oh, what?
Oh, dude, you gotta make it easy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah!
Okay, this is the part that's sketch. I don't think I can get down that. Hey, Ethan, get your fat ass out and go run down there and see.
I don't know. Alright, we're at the next spot here. Should be pretty sweet. said he's gonna try it.
Dude, my cover's coming off.
Which one?
All
of them are, bro.
Great.
Yeah, that's what I told you earlier.
Yeah, it was clink, 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 clink. I want to hit that one with the carpet. That one would be cool.
You wanna hit that one?
The career's more at stake when you in your prime. Fuck that paper, baby, my face on the dotted line.
That's a little bit of a thing.
It's like always, they just want a piece of mind.
Yeah, so we're gonna tie up that one with the carpet, dude.
Introduce you to me right now. Oh my God, that bitch bad. But alright, keep it nice. In the night, come alive. In the sneak, ain't it?
That one felt cool.
I feel like I need to bring the film camera back out. His pants are off. No, I feel like I need to bring the film camera back out because you guys are actually whipping now.
Yeah, dude, that was a sick one. That last one, bro.
Oh, look, that was crazy.
It probably looks so goony, but I feel so.
Dude, the look at the end was crazy.
No, it looks sick.
Oh my god.
Probably tell him we're a burnt out flame. Probably tell him that I ain't been on your mind. I ain't nothing but a long gone thing. You can cuss my name, but baby, don't you lie. When you're tasting what he's drinking, are you thinking about me? When you're riding where he's driving, are you missing my street? Every time you close your eyes, tell me who do you see? When you're tasting what he's drinking, are you thinking about me? Coming over tonight. That tuck in your drive was mine, just like you know it's supposed to be. When you're up in his bed, am I up in your head, making you crazy? Tell me, baby, are you thinking about me?
Yeah, so this guy just rode off the side of the truck. Got a little sketchy because we're all tired and it's hot. But we've had a good day today. Loading up to go home, going to Cold Stone. It's been a good day, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I think that'll work.
Just run it like that.
That'll work.
Run it like that, baby.
Here, I'll slide the ramp in if you pick it up. Lift up, dude. Grow some nuts. This clip's gonna be 10 minutes trying to get him to lift up the tire.
Dude, we're all tired, bro.
Get about the strapless freaking shade.
We're trying him now.
Why it won't go up?
What?
Because you don't have muscles? No, the fucking foot peg is caught on the bottom
Oh.
of the rail of the truck bed.
Oh, there you go. All right, move it to the side.
Oh, dude, the cow is done for.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Let me go check it, bro.
Yeah, I gotta go check it.
Oh shit.
Whoa! Alright, buddy, that's it. That's good. That is not the freeway entrance. What the fuck? West, bro! You're going west! Oh shit! You're going the wrong one. Oh nah. Yeah, it says west, dude.
Dumbass, means going west. Well, how it is, I guess.
Wait, what does it look like? You can just whip it around. Yeah, you can just turn left and whip it around.
Yeah, on this road. Yeah, on this road.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a lot of work on this one.
That was legal.
Hey, start honking, start honking. Let's go!
Some things just are not simple. You call me wondering why I change or why I don't look the same. Why I think so differently now. Is it ever gonna change? Am I gonna feel this way forever? Are you gonna be around for me to count on? Is it ever gonna change? Am I gonna feel this way forever? Are you gonna be around for me to count
I'm taking a puff, I'm starting to feel like it's us. No trust, so do as you must. For real, don't know when I stay out of town. I get down when I stay out of town. 500 shots, I got 500 rounds. 500 plots, I got 500 pounds. Yeah.